Today I'm going to make a breakfast favorite. It's called saltfish buljol. Let's get into the intro. Let's get started. Let's begin by boiling our saltfish. You want to boil the saltfish to remove as much salt as possible because it's really salted. Once it is boiled and remove as much salt as possible, you would mince to your desired size. I am using onions. We have carrot and green seasoning. I'm adding green seasoning because I wanted some extra flavor in there. I am adding some pimento, garlic, and some cilantro. And then once that is added, I also added hot pepper. Sorry, I am going to mix everything in, and at this point I'm going to add a tablespoon of lime juice, and now I'm going to add some hot oil. This process is optional. You can just put everything on a fire and hot it up, but I am not doing that. I am just going to heat up the oil and throw the hot oil over it. Also in this recipe, you would normally use things like tomato and green onions, but as I said, that's why I use the green seasoning, because my green seasoning has green onions and so much other herbs. So, and I didn't have tomatoes on hand, so I didn't use tomatoes. But other than that, and you see I didn't add salt because the saltfish was good for me as is. So this is how I enjoyed it, with some toast, and it was enjoyable, full of flavor and really filling. Thanks for joining me. Do hope you check out my other recipes. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Bye.